In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce size and resolution of an image in Figma. We'll cover 3 practical approaches so you can keep your files light and export exactly what you need. First, open your design in Figma and make sure the image you want to work with is visible on the canvas. Let's start with manual resizing using the Scale tool. Click to select the image, then press K to activate the Scale tool. You'll notice the corner handles update. Drag a corner inward or outward to resize while maintaining the image's proportions. This is a quick way to visually shrink or enlarge the image without distorting it. Keep in mind, resizing on the canvas changes the dimensions you see in your layout. But it doesn't change the original image's pixel density until you export. A helpful tip is to watch the width and height values in the design panel as you scale, so you hit the exact dimensions you are aiming for. Next, adjust the resolution via Export. With your image or the surrounding frame selected, look to the right-hand panel and find the Export section. Here, you can change the scale from 1x to a smaller value, like 0.5x, which halves both width and height. That reduction cuts total pixels to a quarter, which typically gives you a much smaller file size. You can also set specific pixel dimensions if you know the exact output you need. This approach is ideal when you want to keep your on-canvas layout intact but deliver a lighter, lower-resolution file. Finally, use a plugin to compress and resize efficiently. Open the Plugins menu by pressing Ctrl+/. Search for Downsize and open it. Downsize lets you compress and resize image fills. And it can process multiple images at once, which is great for preparing batches. Select your image and in the plugin, set the quality percentage to control compression. Lower values reduce file size more aggressively, but always check that the visual quality still meets your needs. Under size, choose a ratio like 0.75x, 1x, or up to 4x, depending on whether you are scaling down or up. When you are happy with the settings, click Resize. This gives you a streamlined way to bring down both resolution and file size without manually tweaking each asset. As a best practice, consider duplicating your image before making changes so you can compare results and roll back if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.